Welcome, in front of me is a FREEYOND M6, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And before we get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray. If you have some kind of case, you will need to take it off, as the tray is located on the upper left side of the device, where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in, and you'll see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you will have space for two different SIM cards, so these are dedicated spots, and one dedicated spot for your SD card. Make sure that the cards are laying correctly on the tray, and then carefully insert it back into your device. These cards should start working right away. As you can see, they are for me. It's automatically prompting me to confirm my SIM card PIN. So that unlocks my SIM card. And we should also have some kind of notification about, oh, there we go, SD card. So it's reading both of them without any problem. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.